sunshines. Today we have math classes. Tenemos mate, so we're going to count and we're going to do some exercises. We're going to have fun. Nos vamos a divertir. How are you? ¿Cómo están? Are you good? Yes? Tell me how many boys and girls are in your house. How many boys? How many girls are in your house? Can you count? Okay. In my house, I have two girls, and I have one boy. My dad is a boy, my mom is a girl, and me, okay? So, these are the people that live in my house. How many people live in your house? Count, okay? Very good. How about that we pray? Yes, it's time to pray. Everybody hands together. Close your eyes. Let's pray, okay? Dear Jesus, thank you for your love, for my family, for my teachers. Help everybody, Lord. Help some people that are sick and let them be okay and get well. In Jesus' name, amen. Let's pray for the people that are sick. Hay que orar por las personas que están enfermitas, right? Yeah, God is going to make them be better, estar mejores, get well, okay, mejorarse. So we have to do that. Remember who loves us so much? ¿Quién nos ama tanto? God loves us so much that He knows our name, que sabe nuestro nombre. That's incredible. Eso es hermoso. And He died for us, murió por nosotros, because He wants to be with us, porque quiere estar con nosotros. We love Him so much. Lo amamos, right? Yes. Okay, let's start with our calendar. Ready? Are we in January? No. February? No. March? No. You tell me. April? May? We are on May. Very good. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. 5 meses. 5. Okay, great. Let's see. Are we on Sunday? Monday? No, yesterday was Monday. So today is Tuesday. Very good. And tomorrow is going to be Wednesday. Yesterday, Monday. Today, Tuesday. Tomorrow, Wednesday. Very good. Let's count our numbers. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Now slowly. 11, 12. Now we got 14, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And today is 19. Let's see in our bag of numbers. Where is number 19? No, I can't get it. There are too many numbers. Hay muchos números. I got it. So we're going to put the numbers here. We're going to put it in a thumbtack. We're going to grab a thumbtack. And we're going to put number 19. Boys and girls, look through the window. Is it cloudy? No. Is it raining? No. Is it windy? No. Is it sunny? Yes. How is the weather today? Today is sunny. Very good. But did you notice, ¿te has dado cuenta that it's a little bit colder? Está empezando a enfriarse? Yes, because winter is coming. Ya llega el invierno. Even though we have sun, aunque tengamos sol, the weather is different. El clima está cambiando, okay? It's getting colder, right? In other parts of the world, en otras partes del mundo, when it's winter, cuando es invierno, it starts to snow, empieza a nevar. Wow! Would you like to see snow? ¿Te gustaría ver nieve? You're gonna see it in the mountains, en las montañas. So get ready to start our class. Today, boys and girls, we're gonna learn how to count 10 by 10. De 10 en 10. So you know how to count number 10, right? Yes? Do you have 10 fingers or do you have 8 fingers? We have 10 fingers, right? So we're going to count. Contamos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have one, I have one, I have one little finger. I have two, I have two, I have two little finger. I have three, I have three, I have three little finger. I have four, I have four, I have four little fingers. I have five, I have five, I have five little fingers. I have six, I have six, I have six little fingers. I have seven, I have seven, I have seven little fingers. I have eight, I have eight, I have eight little fingers. I have nine, I have nine, I have nine little fingers. I have 10, I have 10, I have 10 little fingers. Very good. We have 10 little fingers. Now let's review number 10. A little bit more, un poquito más. 10 fingers, right? Okay. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5 más 5 deditos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 10, is 10, right? 5 and 5 fingers make 10 fingers. 10 fingers. 5 plus 5, 10. Now over here I have some dots, unos puntitos. We're gonna see. Están muy lejos, I don't know. We're gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. How many cubes? ¿Cuántos cubos acá? Let's count. 1, 2, a ver así. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so over here I also have 10 bloques. Let's count. Contamos. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3, 4. Let's put it like this. 5, 6. Very good. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now, let's see over here. We have sticks, palitos. We're going to count. We're going to do it here. Vamos a hacer acá. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to do number 5 like this. Hacemos el 5 así. Otro palito like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's what it says here. Okay, now we have some dices. Okay, we're gonna see how many do we have. Okay, we have 2 dices. Okay, and what number does it make? ¿Qué número hace? Okay, with this dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, it makes 10. Try to play it in your house. Trata de jugar en tu casita, okay? With your dices, con tus dados. Throw it, tíralo, okay? And count them all. Cuéntalos todos. How many points do you see? ¿Cuántos puntitos tú ves, okay? And this is how we write 10. T-E-N. 10. 10. Okay. Now look over here. I have a counting table, okay? Right? We can count from here. You're going to see it. Un tip, okay? Over here, we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I left a 1 here. Te dejé un 1 acá. And an empty box, y un cuadrado vacío para que tú pongas 0. El 0, 0. Okay? Let's see here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. I left a 2 and a box that is empty, so you put a 0, okay? Right? Zeros come over here because it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. But look at the T. Mira el T para que tú entiendas mejor. There's a 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we know how to count till 10, right? We just put a 0, solo vamos a poner un 0. Ready to count till number 100? ¿Sí? ¿Estás listo? Yes? Okay, grab a marker. Yes, and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We put a 0, okay? 10, that's number 10. Let's count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Put a 0, 20. Very good. Let's go. This is easy. Fácil ahora. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, 30, 30, 30. Let's go. 31, 30, what is this number? 2, 30, 3, 30, 4, 35, 36, 37, 38. Vamos, 39 and 4, 40. This is a 4 and we say T, T, T. 4T or 40, ¿ok? Lo que tú quieras. Ya vamos repasando. 10, 20, 30, 40. Si este es 4, este es 5. Pero se dice 50, ¿ok? Como el 15, 50, ¿ok? Varía un poquito. Let's count. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, you can say 41, 42, 43, or you can say 41, 42, 43, okay? Como tú quieras decir, okay? Then 50, 51, 50, faster, 2, 53, 54, 55. What number? 50? ¿Qué es este? 6, 57, 58, 59, and 60. 40, 50, 60. Okay? Remember, this is 16. This is 60. Okay, let's continue. Vamos, ya casi terminamos. Wow! I can't believe, no lo puedo creer. We're almost getting to 100. Vamos, 61, 62, 63, 64. Eso, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and what number is this? 7, right? 7, T, 7, T, 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 T. Estos son tin, 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 tin. These are T, 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 okay? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and what number is this? 8, right? 80, 80, 88. In your homework, en tu tarea, you have to trace this number too. Tienes que trazar el número 8 también, okay? Number 8 and 0 y el 0 también. Okay, 80, 81, 80, or you can say 80, 82, 83, 84, 85, or 80, ¿no? 86, 87, 88, ahora el mío, 89, and what number is this? 9, okay. 90 or 90, okay. 90, not 19, nuh-uh, but 90 or 90, okay. And the last one, el último, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Así se dice, 100, okay? 100 has 2 zeros now. Ahora tiene 2 ceros, okay? So we're going to see 10 by 10. De 10 en 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 or 80, 90, 100. Now faster. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Wow, now you know how to count. ¿Ya sabes contar? Till 100. Practice in your house. Practica en tu casita, okay? Talk about geometric shapes. What does that mean? Well, these shapes have a body, tienen un cuerpo. Imagine if I would be like this shape, si yo fuera como estas figuras. My round face, mi carita redonda, would be flat, sería plana, like this one, right? Imagine this one, imagínense como este circle, right? Flat. I would go around, me daría la vuelta and I would be flat, right? Sería plana, it wouldn't have sense, no tendría sentido. These are 3D, tres dimensiones, okay? We are in 3D, estamos en tres dimensiones, estamos creados en tres dimensiones. We have a body, tenemos un cuerpo, okay? Look at this. This is round, esto es como redondo, okay? But it's in 3D, en tres dimensiones, okay? It's not flat, no es plano, right? Yes? Si algo así es plano, is it like this? ¿Es plano como esto? No, okay? It has a body, tiene un cuerpo. So we're gonna see. Here we have some shapes, okay? This shape, it's called a cube, es un cubo, okay? It's a square, okay? Its base, su base, es un cuadrado, okay? Empieza así. Starts with a square. Empieza aquí, un cuadrado, okay? Yes? And from there, it's gonna grow, va a crecer y va a tener un volumen, se llama, okay? It has a body, va a tener un cuerpo, okay? Esta es mi base. Empiezo con un shape, con una figura. And then it's gonna grow, okay? But it has different parts, tiene diferentes partes. It has partes, it has faces, caras, like this cube, como en este cubo, tiene caras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? It has faces. Then it has these points, estos puntitos, okay? Yes, okay? These are called vertices, okay? Vertices. How many vertices does this cube have? A ver, vamos a tratar de contar porque nos olvidamos cuántos tiene, ¿ok? 1, nos olvidamos de dónde empezamos. Where do we start all the time? 1, voy a poner mi dedo so I don't forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that correct? ¿Está correcto? Yes, mejor así. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Find a cube in your house. Busca un cubo en tu casita. How many vertices does it have? ¿Cuántos vértices tiene? Okay. How many faces? ¿Cuántas caritas tiene? Okay. Okay, very good. And the last one, how many edges? Edges. Those edges are the lines, okay? Here, edges, okay? Edges, okay? So let's count how many edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges, okay? Find a cube. How many edges does it have? ¿Cuántos bordes tiene, okay? Los bordes, edges, okay? Now we have other shapes. Tenemos otras figuras besides a cube, aparte del cubo. We have a sphere. What do you see that it's a sphere in your house? A ver? What is this? It's a ball. Es una pelota, right? It's a sphere, okay? Es redondo, okay? It has a body, tiene un cuerpo. It's not flat, no es plano, like this circle, okay? Como este círculo, okay? It's flat, it's plano, right? This sphere, esta esfera, okay? It has a body, tiene un cuerpo, okay? Yeah? Imagínense ser redondos así, what, just like papers como los papeles, right? No, we have a body, tenemos un cuerpo. Does it have Does it have a base? ¿Tiene una base? Yes, it starts in a circle. Empieza en un círculo. Actually, this looks like an oval. Parece un óvalo, right? Okay? But it's a circle, solo que se ve así, okay? And does it have any edges? ¿Tiene bordes? No, it's a circle, right? Does it have vertices? ¿Tiene vértices? No, no tiene las puntas, right? No, it's a circle, right? It's a sphere. And what is this? It's called a cylinder. Cylinder, right? What do you see that is a cylinder shape? In my house, I can see a can, una lata de lo que sea, right? I also have this garbage. Miren, tengo este basurero, garbage, okay? It's a cylinder, cylinder. What's the base? ¿Cuál es la base? It's a circle, right? Es un círculo, okay? Solo que no se ve ahí bien, right? Because it's flat, porque está flat. But if you see it, it's a circle. That's my base. Esa es mi base. And then I'm gonna make it grow. Lo voy a hacer crecer. Look, okay? And it's a cylinder. How many vertices does it have? ¿Cuántos vértices? 1 and 2. Just 2. Does it have... Oh, no. That's edges. These are edges, right? Bordes. Vertices, we can see 1 here, 2 here, 3, and 4, right? Yes? Okay, great. And it has a base. And how many faces? ¿Cuántas caras? It's a cylinder. No tiene cara. Just at the top, arriba, puede tener una cara. And down, okay? Just 2 faces. Dos caritas, okay? We're going to learn some more. Shapes. Look over here. This is a rectangular, like rectangle, rectangular prism. Okay, it's called like that. I have a rectangular prism over here, right? It has a body, tiene un cuerpo. It's a box, es como una caja, right? But it's rectangular, right? Rectangular, very good. Its base, ¿cuál es su base? It's a rectangle, right? Starts with a rectangle. Un rectángulo es su base, its base. Okay, very good. How many vertices does it have? ¿Cuántos vértices? Count. 1, those puntitos, right? Okay, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How many faces does it have? ¿Cuántas caritas tiene? 1. Now let's go down. 2. Let's go to the borders. 3, 4, 5, and 6 faces. Okay, 6 caritas. Okay. And how many edges? ¿Cuántos bordes? 1 edge, 2 edges. Vamos a empezar acá, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. Okay, nice. Now let's see another one. Oh, look. This is also a rectangular prism, okay? But we call it blocks. Nosotros le llamamos bloques, right? Sí, pero tienen esta forma, okay? A rectangular prism. Great. What is this? This is a pyramid. Pyramid, okay? Yes, where can you find a pyramid? ¿Dónde puedes encontrar una pirámide? I know! Las pirámides de Egipto, Egyptian pyramids, okay? They are like that, okay? Incredible. It's a triangle, parece un triángulo. It is, mira. Their faces, sus caritas are triangles, son triángulos, okay? I don't have anything like that. No tengo nada en este cuarto with triangles like that, or a pyramid, una pirámide. Find it in your house. A ver si encuentras en tu casa. Take a picture, okay? And you show it to me. Me lo muestras, okay? And my base of this pyramid is a... ¿Cuál será la base? ¿Será que es un triángulo? No. The base is a square, okay? Empieza en el cuadrado, in the square, okay? And then it grows, y crece, okay? That's what we do. Look what can we do. Mira lo que podemos hacer. It's like that. It starts with a square, pero un cuadrado echado, okay? Yes, okay? And I'm going to put a point here. Voy a poner un punto. Instead of grow, va a crecer. Grow, 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 okay? It's a pyramid, so look, I need a ruler. Necesito una regla for this, right? But that's the idea, esa es la idea. It starts with a square and it grows, crece. It has a body, tiene un cuerpo, okay? Then we have a cone. What do you see with this shape? ¿Qué ven con esta figura? Happy birthday to you, right? Yes? I have a hat like this shape, like a cone shape, for my birthday all the time, right? Yes? Do you have it? ¿Tú lo tienes también? I know you do. Uy. Now, what is this? This is called triangular prism. Triangular prism, because it has triangles. Pero, my base, mi base, it's a square, okay? Or it could be a rectangle. En realidad puede ser un rectángulo. Actually, it is, en realidad, es un rectangle, okay? Rectangle, okay? Es más largo from here. This is shorter, es más cortito, right? Yeah? Rectangle and square, okay? And this, what's the base? It's a circle. That's my base. This is mi base, circle, okay? And then it's gonna grow, va a crecer, okay? Now let's repeat. Rectangular prism. What color is it? Orange. What is this? Pyramid. What color? Pink. What is this? Cone. Okay? What color is it? Blue? Sky blue, right? What is this? Triangular prism. What color is it? Purple. Now let's see, what can we find with these shapes? At home, for cube, I got a dice, un dado, okay, yes. I have an ice cube, right? Un cubo de hielo. Then we have a cube, a normal cube to play, right? To build, para construir. And then I have a Rubik cube. Oh, it's the same. Okay, great. What do you found as cube? ¿Qué has encontrado como cubo? Show me, muéstrame. Now we have a sphere. Like a ball, right? Like a soccer ball. Then we can have an orange, right? Una naranja. The earth, la tierra, it's a sphere. ¿Sabías eso? Yeah, it's a sphere. Then we can have a Christmas ornament, okay? Un adorno navideño. All of them are spheres. Triangular prism. Let's see. Oh, we have a clock, un reloj, right? Yeah, could be as a triangle. We have this, I think it's wood, creo que es de madera, something to play, right? Like cubes, como los cubos para armar. But this has a triangle shape. Then we have, oh, cheesecake. Oh, I love to eat cheesecake. That has the same shape. And then we can cut the cheese like this shape too, a triangular prism. Triangular prism. Now let's see the cone. The cone, remember? We can have a safety cone, okay? Yes, un cono de seguridad, where you stop, cuando ponen para que tú te pares, para que no avances, right? We can use a birthday party cone, right? Yeah. A popcorn cone, okay? Un cono para pipocas for popcorn. Or an ice cream cone, okay? El cono de helado, wow, delicious, okay? These are some shapes. We're going to see are cylinder. Remember cylinder? Yes, we can see in a can of Coca-Cola, right? Or any other can. We can see in a cup, right? In a cup or in a glass, right? We can see in a battery. Oh, and the batteries, right? They have this shape. Look at here. In a toilet paper, we always see a toilet paper, okay? We always see a cylinder. Okay, nice. We're getting to understand more. Estamos aprendiendo más, right? Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Pyramid. Remember, where can we see the pyramid? In the Egyptian pyramids, okay? En las pirámides de Egipto, donde estaba el faraón Pharaoh, okay? Se le llamaba también Ramsés II, okay? Ramsés II. But they told us, nos dijeron que robaron su tumba, so there's nothing inside. If you go to Egypt, si vas a Egipto, and you go down, bajas por acá, okay? You go down to see, para ver las tumbas, there's nothing. No hay nada. Can you believe it? It's so sad. They stole it. Now over here we have a tent. Oh, tents for camping. Oh, that's right. Then we have a Meteoronomy, okay? Meteoronomy. What's that? Es un metrónomo, okay? This helps to see the time, para ver el tiempo, para calcular el tiempo. You can say tic-tac, 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 okay? You give it time. If you want to go at it faster, si quieres que vaya más rápido, you just put it faster. Tick, 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 faster. Tick, 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 okay? You can choose the time you want. Puedes elegir el tiempo que quieres, okay? Tick, 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 okay? It's good for music classes. Es bueno para las clases de música. Okay, vamos. El tiempo, vamos. Go, 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 vamos. Negra, black, black, una blanca. 1, 2. ¿Cuánto es una redonda, right? If you know about music, si sabes de música, una redonda vale 4 tiempos. So, tick, 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 okay? 4 times. It helps us a lot. Nos ayuda muchísimo. Now you know, ahora sabes. And this is an antenna, okay? Una antenna, okay? Yeah, so we can receive the signals, podemos recibir las señales, right? For our phone, para nuestro teléfono, for internet, para el internet, okay? Yes, it has the same shape, a pyramid shapes. And the last shape, rectangular prism, okay? What do we have as our rectangular prism? Actually, it's most common, it's más común, okay? Then this one, no. They're in many places, okay? En muchos lugares, in different objects, in diferentes objetos we can find. So the last shape, a rectangular prism. Okay? Actually, it's most common, it's más común. We can find everywhere. Podemos encontrar en todas partes. For example, in a tissue box, okay? En una caja de pañuelos, okay? In a box, la mayoría de las cajas have this shape, right? A rectangular prism. Then we can find in Legos, right? Do you like to play with Legos? Yes? It has this same shape. And a gift or present or un regalo, it always has this size. Casi que tiene este tamaño, right? It's the shape, actually, okay? Esta figura. So I hope you liked it, and please find some of these shapes, geometrical shapes. Where can you see some of them? Practice. Vamos a practicar. What are we going to do first? Our names. Okay, my name is Lorena. Oh, grab a marker. Better. Un marcador mejor, right? Okay, now we're going to describe what shapes are they. ¿Qué figuras son? This is a cone, right? This is a cube, cylinder, sphere. Okay. You can paint them. Puedes pintarlos with different colors. You can paint red, this one. You can paint a cube yellow. You can paint it green, the cylinder. You can paint the sphere blue, okay? Any color you want, but it has to be pretty. Tiene que estar lindo. Then you can paint also this. Vamos a pintar estos también. A ball, a cone of popcorns, a candle, una vela, okay? We painted all, pintamos todos, okay? A cube, Rubik cube. And then, what are we going to do after we paint? Después de pintar, what do? We cut. We cut through the dotted lines, okay? We cut it all. We grab a glue, and we're going to glue it where it belongs. Vamos a pegar donde pertenece. For example, the can is going to have this shape. No, it's going to have a cylinder shape. A cone, remember, birthday party hat is going to be in a cone because it has the same shape. An orange is going to be a sphere. A ball is going to be a sphere. A Rubik cube is going to be a cube, right? What other cube? Oh, this cube. To build, para construir, we're going to glue it here. Lo pegamos así, okay? So do it in your house. Let's see how it goes. Vamos a ver cómo te va. Bye bye.